Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope very well. Welcome back to Cast Iron Wednesday. The month of September is camp cooking. Unfortunately, I'm not at a campground. I'm here in my kitchen. And I'm not allowed to cook outside with anything other than electric. No smokers, no grill, no gas grills, no nothing because of HOA. Boo. I figured I could go buy something electric and cook it outside. But I couldn't see doing that just for one video, so I'm just not going to. I'm gonna cook it here at the house. But you know, I got some brats, which I've cooked at camp before, so we'll just wing it. Yeah. Alright, get my oven going and my cast iron going. What I like to do with my brats, since shut up. Since I'm at home, is I like to brown them in a pan and then put the whole thing in the oven, just because you get a nice even bake. And also I got some beans using a supportive cookware, just because I don't have I have a Dutch oven, but I don't have a cast iron pot or saucepan. This will actually be a really quick dinner because, like I said, I like to start these in the pan here, just to add some color to them. Alright, I just put in just a little bit of bacon grease. I just want to brown them up on the outside. That's basically about it. Alright, those look pretty good for color. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to throw the whole thing into an oven for about 15 minutes. There we go. Alright, I already pulled out my brats. They're looking fantastic. Beans are hot. I actually just got a phone call, so I was a little distracted. So I got these outdoor buns I'm going to toast up. They're actually outdoor buns, so. By the way, 6 buns to a package, but only 5 brats in the bag. I mean, what the hell? Washing these buns like a hawk. Don't want them to burn. All right, that was quick. The broiler's on 525, so. And there goes my dryer. So, alright, typically with camping, I go with some mustard. I like mustard on my brat. Already dished up some beans while I was waiting. And of course, get these off the plate. I like cheddar cheese on mine. Now normally we have cheese in slices because, you know, lazy. But I couldn't see buying cheese just for this. Alrighty. Phone call, throw me off. So even though I actually knew they were calling, I just forgot they were calling. Well, alright, so here we go. Some beans. I also got some jalapeno we have some jalapeno ranch potato chips. Something we always grab when we're camping because, you know, when you're sitting around, you just eat a chip. Wow. Oh, so neat. Catch you guys in a few. Alright, well, clean plate. It was actually quite delicious. I enjoyed every bite. So, I don't think I've mentioned, but this month is also Spamtember. So I already got an idea for next week's using spam. So stay tuned for that. And then of course, I do appreciate you watching. Don't forget to check the playlist, which will be on the end and the description, and also last week's video and in the description. And we'll catch you on the next one. Take care.